So I've managed to rank two of my rank and rant websites in a matter of days. First website, scroll down, and this is where I am right now. The site is beautifully done, very professional, very lightweight, extremely well built. And this is my second site. So if we scroll down, this is me, a different template, but beautiful nonetheless. Moreover, let me refresh. For one of the websites, I have already started ranking and getting clicks and impressions, as you can see. Now, this site is like a couple of days old, so this is amazing. And in this video, this is going to be a two-parter. First, I will tell you once again, I'll recap on how I was able to build these two websites. And secondly, I will answer the most commonly asked questions of how to change or update your website once published. So stay tuned. So to recap, I used two services. The service that I used to build the website is called Locos Pilot from the builders of Agility Writer. And you can get 10% off if you use WAS10 coupon code. And from this interface, you can actually access the second tool, which you can use for free if you buy into Locos Pilot. And the second tool is called EMD Striker. So what I did, I ran a search. And you can run different searches. You can search a niche for every state in the United States, for example. Or you can research a specific state and then you get different niches. To answer a question that I had earlier about the geos this tool is targeting, you can see that the list is quite large. So basically, you have all the major countries, Europe, Oceania, South America, United States, so everything. So I ran a search for concrete lifting and leveling. I picked geo-targeted keywords only, so those that were connected to specific locations. And then I analyzed them all and got what is called a striker score, which is basically your opportunity score. And this tool allows you to see if there are opportunities for rank and rants. And if you click on AI Insights, you get a very comprehensive overview of why this tool thinks that the opportunity is wide open. But if this wasn't enough, this tool, through Namecheap, is able to bulk check all the domains and whether you can purchase an EMD, which is an exact match domain, which in most of the cases gives you an advantage as far as SEO. So if I were to concrete leveling Houston TX, I would be able to do so because the .com domain is available. Same for concrete leveling Omaha, and I bought these two domains, Buffalo and Colorado Springs. So if I were to refresh this information, the .coms would disappear. So basically, yeah, this is how I found my rank and rent opportunities. I cherry-picked all the keywords that were connected to exact locations. Then I bulk analyzed them. I got a striker score. I filtered from highest to lowest. And then I ran a bulk domain check. And that was pretty much it. Then I went back to this tool called Locos Pilot. I started a new project. I went to the SERPs and found a reference website that is ranking very high for my target keyword. I chose research with AI. I inserted the website. I chose a name. And basically, from then on, I was just following the prompts. So this tool is extremely easy to follow along. It does seem complicated at first, but every step has an instruction. And not once I was lost. So it's very easy to follow. Now, once your projects are complete, you can basically view them. And then you have a choice. You can publish to Cloudflare. You can download the website, download the source, or edit the website. The editing is very limited to changing the font or the color with minimal variation. So if you want to do some real editing. So let's say you've published your website and the phone number, the address, and the email is completely made up and you want to change all of that. And I'm using Hostinger. So what do? You download the website as a zip file. Then you go to Hostinger, you set up a website. You choose custom PHP HTML. You can use temporary domain and then connect your real one. And once the setup is done, you should go to the file manager, unpack your zip archive that you got off of Locos Pilot, and upload everything, unpack everything in this public HTML folder. Then once all the files are uploaded, you just close this down and that's it. Your website from now on is up and running. You can rewatch my previous video where I show you how to connect your domain and how to upload your website. Now, let's say you've done all of that. And let's use concrete leveling Colorado Springs. And there are quite a few things that I need to change here because this is made up. This email does not exist. And if somebody wanted to leave information through this form, it would go nowhere. So this is not good. And we need to change basically these three things. So, and I'll be doing that using Claude Code. You can do this with Google Anti-Gravity. You can do this with Cursor. It's literally the same thing. You just point Claude Code in this instance to a specific folder and you instruct it to change things. Then it changes things and you re-upload the whole archive, the whole folder unpacked onto Hostinger. That's pretty much it. But let's just do everything together. Okay, so let me first go to my dedicated Claude folder. I have a subfolder called websites. Let me just unpack this archive here. So if I open this up, as you can see, there are files. Now let's take care of these three, starting with the address. This is not legal advice, obviously, but so please disregard the typos. I'm saying I'm launching a rank and rate website and I want you to pick an address in Colorado Springs, Colorado that is not associated with a GmbH or any type of business, nor is it a residential address, ideally a co-working of sorts. Okay, here's the address I found for your rank and rent sites. Here's why this address checks all the boxes, not associated with any GmbH listings, not associated with any existing businesses, 100% commercial, not residential. This is Northgate Office Suites building, a multi-tenant professional office park, not a known virtual office provider address. Beautiful. Okay, so I'll just copy this for later use. So next up is email, and we'll be using Formspree. This is a paid service, but extremely inexpensive. I might be actually using a free version. Yes, I am on a free plan. So let's go to Forms. I have a project set up just for this. Let's create a form. Form name, concrete, leveling, Colorado Springs. Send email. I'll just use my personal email, which I will blur. To send to a new email address, please first add it to linked emails. Okay. And this is a code example. And as you can see, this email here is indeed linked. The verification process is extremely simple. So I'll just leave this as is. And the only other thing left to do is to create a phone number. So for that, let me go to Hashed. This one is paid, but it's like peanuts. So I don't have any money on here right now, but I'll try to get a number. So get a new number, United States, number type mobile. That's the only option. Region, Colorado, 719. Now I don't really care about the numbers. I'll just pick the first one. Select a plan, pay as you go for international calling, unlimited. No, I just want to test this out. If this works, I'll get a 30-day one and I will top it up real quick. Okay, this is the number and you need to be using the app. And I believe if you download the app, you can use forwarding, you can use voicemails. So this is a legit number. So now looks like we have everything that we need. And now let me go to Claude Code. I'll start a new session. I'll make sure I link to this specific folder. And in this folder, I need this website here. So I had to type it in. Basically, I've given you the path to my website. I need to change the address, a telephone number, Formspree integration based on the below. Let me know if you have any questions before proceeding. Now just go address, number, then Formspree. So for Formspree, I'll just paste this in. And I'm pretty sure it's going to use HTML as opposed to Ajax, React, but I guess it will just correct me if I'm doing something wrong. So let's see what happens. Got it. Here's what I found across your website. Phone. That's the previous one. Appears in OHTML files, footer, schema headers, mobile SCTAs, address on generic Colorado Springs as a placeholder. Form currently uses Formspree info at concrete leveling Colorado. Needs to change. Okay. I'll go always allow for project. And while we wait, guys, I want to touch upon an important question. 2 questions. The first one is monetization strategies. And basically there are 2 as of now. You can either collect leads and resell leads, or you can sell the whole website as is. Secondly, after a few videos that I did on rank and rants, people kept asking me about what I feel, what I think about rank and rants. In my opinion, hasn't changed. I think rank and rant as a strategy is becoming more and more difficult. With this amazing tool like EMD Striker, you can still find opportunities, and I'm very grateful for that tool. It makes everything way, way, way easier. However, the whole business model is shrinking. What I'm trying to say is that you can still get into rank and rant right now, but you might not be able by the end of 2026. And as a plan B, consider creating statewide directories in the same niche that you wanted to create a rank and rant in. So Claude Code says all done. Here's the summary of what was changed. Phone number updated, address updated across all 51 HTML files, Formspree updated. Okay, so now if all went well, we just need to go back to Claude and update all these files through Hostinger. And then all should be fine. So again, as I said, this is a really easy process. So it does sound like, oh my God, I'm updating my whole website. It's really easy. So you go to Hostinger, you find your website, you go to dashboard, then to file manager. Then I know it's scary, but you delete everything and then you just copy everything over like so. Take notice of how lightweight this website is. So the whole website is 15 megabytes. So now, if we've done everything correctly, I can just close this window, go to the website, and we should be seeing new information. And, oh, okay, we still have the old email address. I totally forgot about it, but we have a new number, and we have a new address here. So I will take care of this. The process is exactly the same, but I'm more interested in how the contact form works. I got a success message, and this is my test. So everything worked as intended. So guys, this is basically how you change the address, how you change the phone number, how you change the lead collection, and this is basically how you update the website. Once again, if you want a discount, to use Locos Pilot with a 10% off, use WAS10. And as per usual, everything is going to be in our Search Gap Methods school community. I have my flagship Search Gap methods to rank in 24 to 48 hours. I've just recently posted a case study of me ranking in 9 hours with a 0 DA domain. We have a rapid ranking system with 7 additional keyword research methods. I teach you how to create multimedia articles. You get best AI workflows, niche hunting course, and everything rank and red is going to be in the local SEO Outranking Academy. So I'll see you there. Cheers.